Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about car insurance in the USA. Vehicle insurance, car insurance, or auto insurance in the United States and elsewhere, is designed to cover the risk of financial liability or the loss of a motor vehicle that the owner may face if their vehicle is involved in a collision that results in property or physical damage. Most states require a motor vehicle owner to carry some minimum level of liability insurance. States that do not require the vehicle owner to carry car insurance include Virginia, where an uninsured motor vehicle fee may be paid to the state, New Hampshire, and Mississippi, which offers vehicle owners the option to post cash bonds. The Privileges and Immunities Clause of Article 4 of the U.S. Constitution protects the rights of citizens in each respective state when traveling to another. A motor vehicle owner typically pays insurers a monthly fee, often called an insurance premium. The insurance premium a motor vehicle owner pays is usually determined by a variety of factors including the type of covered vehicle, marital status, credit score, whether the driver rents or owns a home, the age and gender of any covered drivers, their driving history, and the location where the vehicle is primarily driven and stored. Most insurance companies will increase insurance premium rates based on these factors, and less frequently, offer discounts. In the United States in 2017, the largest private passenger vehicle insurance providers in terms of market share were State Farm 18.1%, Geico 12.8%, Progressive Corporation 9.8%, Allstate 9.3%, and USAA 5.7%. 3. Insurance is secured either by working with an independent insurance agent or with an insurance broker who is authorized to sell insurance policies. Some can represent from several agencies or a growing number of online brokers who provide policy purchases through online sites. The automobile insurance market in the United States is a $308 billion market. 17. Every state has a different minimum coverage requirement, making auto insurance coverage more expensive in some states than others. 18. But they remain lower than the minimum amounts of insurance coverage of most EEA countries involved in the green card system. In the USA, the yearly average cost of insurance is between $983 in New Hampshire and $2,551 in Michigan. 19. Additional coverage comes with an additional cost of about $1,000, €842 per year.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.